Alright guys, if you are wondering how to check your brake pads and see if they need to be replaced or not, or how worn out they are, all you need to do is remove your tire here. Sometimes you don't even need to remove the tire, but it'll be a lot easier to check it if you remove the tire. And get yourself a stick here, a measuring stick that says at least centimeters, but you're looking for millimeters, so we're going to use this here. And what we're going to do here is hold that up to the brake rotor there, like that. And then try to count the numbers there. So each line is a millimeter there. So we're only at, if you can see that, there we go. We're only at about 3 millimeters. So they're definitely worn down. You can also go through this other sideway here, and you can put it up to there. Can't really, there we go. You can see the part of the brake pad there. And then that's just that little gap there in the middle. That's what you're trying to measure here. So if you can get your whatever you're measuring with in between there, that gives you the same width here, but it's easier just to go from this side. Most brake pads are going to be about 10 to 12 millimeters brand new, and they suggest not to go lower than 75%. So it's usually around 3 to 4 millimeters you're going to want to change it, and that's usually when it starts releasing that squeal, because they have some metal in there. Once you get down too far, the brake pads will start letting out a squeal to let you know that, hey, your brake pads are getting worn out and you need to change them. So there you go. All you need is a little tape measure there, and take your tire off, and you'll be able to find out if you need to replace your brake pads.